As Ukraine's drone army keeps on showing size doesn't matter, as seen here again as a drone drops a grenade on the world's biggest self-propelled mortar system, the 2S4 Tyulpan. While the system is massive, it doesn't hold much armor or protection, letting an anti-personnel hand grenade to create an internal fire with an only okay hit, resulting in the electronics and components of the system getting destroyed, rendering it useless, making a trade of a cheap grenade and the world's biggest mortar system, letting the Ukrainian drone army to move on to the next target, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.